What's up? Welcome back. Let's make things go. So you got an EcoBoost, whether it's an Explorer or a Mustang, or Escape, really any of those. And you want it to go like a turbo should. Well, we're gonna modify that guy right there with one of these. Super cheap, super easy. So it's cold in Iowa, but I'm outside in a t-shirt. So I'm gonna go ahead and pull those 3 Allen bolts out, and I'll be right back. We're gonna take the coolant reservoir out just to make life a little easier. Get that up out of the way a little bit, like such. And we can kind of see what we're working at. We're going for that guy right there, which we might not. We'll have to figure out if we can fit the adapter in. So I'm going to go grab the right size. For that guy right there. I'll be right back. Okay, these are a 5mm. I'm just using an Allen key because, well, it's easy. So this car is not under warranty anymore, so I'm not worried about that. But if you guys are, I would check to verify if doing this will void your warranty, because I don't know. And again, I really don't care. Okay. Just pulling these last 3 bolts out, and I'll be right back. Okay, and got it out. I'm gonna go ahead and pull it off. So that's what we're working with. And the way it works, okay, focus, there we go. So it's on there. Make sure and change the O-rings. Grab your new bolts. And they only fit together one way, just like they only fit in here one way. kind of hard to get to. The bottom one closest to the engine is the hardest one to get to. That one we're gonna do last. And that's why I'm using an Allen key, because it's easy to get in there. If you have a flexible Allen key, that would be the best. And they are 5mm. I don't know if I said that before. Get this connector back on. And locked. Okay. Gonna go do a start for you quick. There we go. Let's get these coolant tank bolts back in. All right, I'm gonna save all the old stuff because I actually have transmission service on this under warranty. So the transmission is under warranty. We've actually had to replace it once. There we go. So yeah, the transmission is actually under warranty because we had it replaced at like 34,000 miles or something. It was doing this goofy thing when you put it in drive. It would go for a second and then shift into neutral on its own. So it's doing the same thing again, so it's got to go back in. But yeah, super simple to do that. Part's like 40 bucks. Yeah, like, subscribe, comment, share us. I'll send a link to the product and the little blow-off valve adapter in the description. Deuces, guys.